Maurice here back for another Power Pack training. Today is a very important training video I'm going to do for you guys. Why you would never get your first social media marketing client until you do this. This is so key. A lot of you guys are still struggling to get clients. Okay, and here's the thing. Until you do what I'm about to reveal to you, you will never get clients. Plain and simple. You can watch all the YouTube videos and you can buy all the courses and all the nice stuff and read the books. But until you do this, you won't get clients. And I know a lot of you guys want to, get your first client, make $10,000 a month and all that beautiful stuff. But the reason why you don't have clients is because what I'm about to reveal to you. So I want you to watch this video 100 times, okay? I really want you to dissect exactly, the root problem of why not only you're not getting clients, but the 98% of the people that have been in social media marketing, but social media marketing hasn't been in them and they haven't got their first client, okay? And here's the number one reason why. I know you guys are rating, you're salivating at the mouth, and you're ready to see what's behind the curtain. I know you're like, Maurice, come on. Don't hold me into suspense. But ladies and gentlemen, you need to understand that when I first got started in SMMA, I was just like you. I struggled. I banged my head against the wall. I wanted to get clients. I wanted to make $3,000, $4,000, $5,000 a month per client. But there was something that was holding me back. I had to come to grips and had to face my own reality as well of the reason why I wasn't getting clients, okay? I know we look for the external stuff, but it's actually the internal stuff that we must fix, okay? So let me go ahead and reveal to you guys why you don't have clients. And until you do this, you will never have clients. You'll be blowing in the wind just like the 98% of all the other people that are out there spending thousands of dollars on courses and stuff like that, but still never coming to grips to get their first client and hitting that elusive $10,000 a month. Drum roll, please. Drum roll, please. All right, ladies and gentlemen, here we go. You got to believe in yourself, self-mastery. Ladies and gentlemen, this is key. I want you to write this 100 times. Grab a piece of paper, okay, and a pencil, and you write this 100 times. You got to believe in yourself. This is the key to getting social media marketing clients. And I'm going to share a story with you guys. But ladies and gentlemen, here's the truth of the matter. How do you expect business owners to write you a check for $2,000 to $3,000 a month if you don't believe that you can get them results? Why would somebody else believe in you and you don't even believe in yourself? Think about that, ladies and gentlemen. You guys want business owners to hand you over the dinero, but you are afraid to talk to clients, and you, quite frankly, don't believe in yourself, okay? Your self-esteem is low, okay? You don't have the enthusiasm, okay, to convince somebody, because all sales is a transference of belief, okay, enthusiasm. And the reason why a lot of you guys aren't getting clients is simply put, you don't believe. So if you don't believe it, how are you going to convince somebody else to believe in yourself if you don't believe? Ladies and gentlemen, when I started my agency years ago and I was, working at a warehouse, loading trucks up at night, sleeping during the day, working at night, overworked, underpaid, making about $10 an hour at a dead-end warehouse job. And I got introduced to social media marketing. I was excited. But ladies and gentlemen, I thought for myself, just like you, I was like, man, I don't really believe somebody will hand over $1,000 a month or $500 a month to a guy like me coming from a warehouse. So I had limiting beliefs also that I had to deal with. And the first one I had to deal with, I said, hey, I'm over here working a warehouse, barely getting by. And here I have this opportunity and all I need is about $5K a month to get me out of this dead end job. So I was like, man, I got to believe in myself. I can do this. If I can make somebody else rich, folks, I said to myself, I can make myself rich. So that was the first breakthrough I had before I picked up this phone, as I had to believe in myself. And what else did I do? Of course, I got the courses. That's why I recommend you get the courses. Then I started reading books like Think and Grow Rich. Okay, how to influence and influence people. I started to self-mastery. I started to work on myself. And this is the common denominator. Why the masses are still broke, why the masses don't have clients, why the masses won't purchase courses, because they don't even believe that if they got a course, it would even work for them. So therefore, they don't even invest in the courses. Ladies and gentlemen, you got to believe in yourself, okay? If you want a business owner to believe in you and write you $2,000, $3,000, $4,000 a month checks, you got to get some belief, okay, about who you are. And I remember, ladies and gentlemen, now as I was going to Starbucks at the time and meeting business owners, complete strangers, and didn't have websites, didn't have a business card, none of that. But what I had, and the reason why they wrote me checks and gave me credit card authorization forms that I could go back and process, is they looked me dead in my eye, and I looked them dead in my eye and said, hey, if you give me an opportunity, I'm going to make sure I get you phone calls and customers. And that was enough for them to say, hey, you know what? I'm going to give you a shot, young man. And they gave me a shot. Why? Because I believe. And a lot of you guys just don't believe. So therefore, you never pick up the phone. Therefore, you never take action. Therefore, you never do anything. You're just sitting there waddling in the mud because you don't believe. You're looking for all the easy ways. And that's another reason why people never get rich, is they're looking for the easy way. That's why most people don't want to cold call, because they want an easier way. And there's nothing wrong with an easier way, but you got to work on yourself. And cold calling is going to build character, okay, in you, okay? Cold calling is going to make you better, sharper, okay? Give you that edge that most people won't ever have, because they can't get through the numbers when it comes to making cold calls, okay? So, ladies and gentlemen, this is the creme de la creme. You have to believe if you want somebody else to believe, okay? Why get on the floor if you believe you're going to lose the game? Why pick up the phone, ladies and gentlemen? Before you pick up the phone, you already have doubts, limitations, okay, that are literally, most people are self-sabotaging themselves. They say the worst wounds are the self-inflicted wounds. And when you don't believe in yourself, you have fears and anxieties, ladies and gentlemen, that's what's stopping you. That's why you don't have clients right now. It's not because, you don't have a college degree, or because you can't speak, or because you can't make cold calls, because you can. But what the problem is, folks, is your belief. You got to get your belief level up higher. See, most of y'all belief level is down at a 0. Man, you got to get your belief level up to a 10 if you want to make $10,000 a month. So work on your belief. How do you do that? Click the link in the description so you can grab the ICP course so I can pull that mess up out of you, okay? Because in one of the modules in the ICP, we deal with mindset, limiting beliefs, and fears and anxieties, okay? Because we all go through them. But you need that junk pulled out of you. Okay, and it's gonna take me and a high-powered course like the ICP to pull that mess out of you so that you can get on your journey and you can start making $10,000 a month and getting clients like clockwork, like all of my students are, and all of the people that have purchased the course and that have believed in themselves and did the necessary things to get boatloads of clients. Okay, last but not least, okay, folks, you got to take action. Okay, the next reason why people will never get clients until they do this is they don't do anything. Ladies and gentlemen, nothing from nothing leads to nothing. In order for you to be successful in social media marketing, is you got to take action. You got to pick the phone up and you got to go to work. Too many lazy people are involved with SMMA. They want to watch the YouTube videos. They want to even purchase the courses, but they don't want to do what the course is telling them to do, and then they want a refund. Then they want this. Then they want to blame it on the course. No, it's not the course, okay? It's you, okay? You got to be willing to do something. You got to be willing to act upon the information. Like that old saying, ladies and gentlemen, is true. Knowledge is power. No, knowledge is power only when it's applied. And in order for you to hit that elusive $10,000 a month and get your first 5 clients this year, you got to say, hey, you know what, Maurice? I'm going to grab the phone. It's an excellent way to get clients. I'm sick of my dead-end job. I got debt up the yin yang, and I can use 10 smackaroos every single month. What do I need to do? Okay, I'm going to get the course. I'm going to get a coach. I'm going to read the books. I'm going to apply what I'm learning in the course. I'm going to give it, 6 months, 90 days until I complete the journey. Okay, I'm going to take action, because here's the thing. 98% of the people that are out there in SMMA, all they do is watch YouTube videos all day. They never take action. I have so much free information out there on the internet. All you got to do is take action, and then get the course, and then get the coaching, and then just elevate yourself so that you're making $10,000, $20,000. You can make as much money as you want in SMMA if you quit being lazy, turn the TV off, leave Netflix alone, turn off Facebook, Instagram. You okay? Turn off all that garbage. Turn off the news, because it's not profiting you anything. Grab this phone, get on Craigslist, get on Yelp, turn your phone on for 2 hours and go to work. Bang it out. Beast mode. Okay? Take action every single day. And if you do that, ladies and gentlemen, you'll have no problem getting clients on a regular, making $10,000 a month, getting out of debt, and living a phenomenal lifestyle. But you got to stop being lazy and fearful, okay? And like I said, if you're lazy, you're procrastinating, you're fearful, click the link in the description. I got a course. It's called the ICP, okay? It will change your life, all right? Like it has for all the other people that have taken the course, because we deal with this stuff. Why you're not taking action. Going back to the first slide, the reason why you're not taking action is you don't believe. And nothing happens until you believe, okay? I don't care what you do until you believe it. You can never achieve it. You got to believe first. A lot of people want to see before they believe, but you got to believe before you see. And a lot of you guys are stuck with that. You know what I mean? You got to have some belief, man, if you want to make the big money, because that's what changed my life when I went from a warehouse to making 100 G's my first year in SMMA. Is because I believed and I went to work. See, a lot of you guys are just too lazy. SMMA takes work. I know a lot of the gurus don't tell you that, but I'm going to tell you, you got to work hard if you want a business owner to send you $1,000 to $2,000 a month every single month. You got to work your butt off, but it's worth it in the end. So, folks, I hope this video has been of immense value to you. If it has, comment below. Make sure you guys hit the thumbs up. If you want coaching, you need help, this video has resonated with you, and you're tired of struggling, you have limiting beliefs, click the link in the description, grab the ICP course. If you want additional help where I can hold your hand, you can sign up for one-on-one coaching. Keep in mind, it's very expensive, but it's worth it, okay? Because you're almost guaranteed to hit that elusive $10,000 a month. See you guys on the next one. Bye for now.